And here is another locally owned hotel in a Jamaica where you can stay if you support the people them directly. Make sure to like, share, and follow me for more travel tips to Jamaica. When you come to Jamaica, make sure you stay at the Millbrooks Resort, down in a Mobile, Montego Bay for all of the foreigners them. Rooms are available right now for you to book with you and your family members. Top quality hospitality. Every room is featured with updated Jamaican architecture, also Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and all of the modern amenities in your bathroom to make sure that you full enjoy your stay. You can also get butler service and maid service to make sure that you are very comfortable. If you need jet service, we provide jet service at the resort. If you want to work on your fitness and improve your health, we also provide yoga services at Millbrooks Resort. If you need transportation to take you around the island, we can provide transportation here at Millbrooks Resort. So when you come to Millbrooks Resort, you go get top tier food. Our chefs will always provide you with quality Jamaican food outdoors at our campsite and at the resort. If you want to hang out with your friends, we also provide a yacht service here at Millbrooks. Booking is available for rooms and for celebrations. Book at Millbrooks Resort today.